is Coach Kai. What's your name?
Hilmi.
Hilmi?
And Danish.
Hilmi and Danish. Alright, very nice names. Before we start, can I just get all of y'all remove any watches, jewelry, anything inside your pockets? All good?
All good in the hood.
Alright, so would this be your first time playing softball?
Yeah. Yes, first time, sorry.
It's your first time playing softball.
Never played
Alright.
softball before.
Okay, let me introduce you guys to one of my role models in softball. His name is Adam Falkart.
Adam who?
Adam Falkart.
Falkart.
Adam Falkart is an Australian softball player who currently holds the record for the fastest pitch in softball. Anyone want to guess how long it is? How fast it is?
120 meters per second.
No, it's 135 kilometers per hour.
Oh.
And currently, for me, I'm only at 102 kilometers per hour, so I still need to
Yeah,
get
there's
so
still
much
room
more
more.
faster.
Yep.
Alright. So, with putting Adam Falkart as our role model, I'll be teaching you how to pitch.
Okay.
So, anyone have any idea what's pitching in softball?
No. Is it when you throw the ball to the
Better?
batter? Yep.
Alright. So, like different from baseball, softball pitching is not an overhand throw; it's an underhand throw. And the thing that I'll be teaching you today is the windmill arm technique. Can you repeat that for me?
Windmill arm technique.
Alright, very good. So the windmill arm technique is the most important aspect of a softball pitch because. Any guesses?
Because you need to underhand so they can get the points to win.
Alright, yes. Just as the name suggests, you'll be doing a windmill motion. So with that, you guys ready to start?
Yep. Yeah.
Alright, so can I have you guys move over here?
I'll be on good.
Steven here. I'll be on two. Alright. Just stand back forward.
Oh, okay.
Alright. So the first thing I'll be teaching you is the windmill arm technique. The first part of it is starting from a 3 o'clock. So every time we talk about the different techniques, we talk about it through time. We have 3 o'clock, 12. Yeah, that's basically most of it.
Yeah.
Most of the time, you will do from you start at 3, then you go one circle and then deliver. But then for now, we'll focus mostly on the 3 o'clock. Okay, so for this exercise, it's very simple. As you can see there, those papers are your targets. Is that understandable?
Yeah.
Okay. Instead of confusing you guys on the first lesson with all the different techniques that you have to use, you'll be doing it like this.
Okay.
Alright. So here are some key coaching points that you have to listen out to, and then you have to do it. I'll test you afterwards. Will that be okay?
Can.
Alright. So you guys know this is at 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Alright. So from the 3 o'clock here, face your target, and then since you want to release like that, right? Alright. So what you do is you face the target, chest up, chin in. Your ball is at 3 o'clock there, and as you go down, you twist your hips and then let go.
Okay.
You understand?
Yep.
Alright. Tell me some of the KCPs again.
First, position your arm at 3 o'clock.
Alright.
And then chest up, chin in. You are letting go of the ball, twist your hips and let go.
Alright. Can I have you stand over here so that you can see more clearer?
Yep.
Alright, let me demonstrate you in the whole thing.
Yep.
From here, chest up, chin in, remember to twist and then let go. Ready? Like that. What did I do wrong there?
You didn't hit the
Yeah. So what do you think can be done for me to hit that?
release the ball little. Yeah.
Alright, good. So release point is an essential part. So you have to take into account where you want the ball to go. Would that be okay?
Yep.
Alright, can I have you guys each on one?
Does that just be either field, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Whatever you're comfortable with. Are you a left-handed pitcher or a right-handed?
Alright.
Alright, thank you.
With my right handed, very perfect.
He is done. Yeah. Alright, you can begin. Just aim for 5 in. Once you hit 5 in the paper, and that you guys are done. Will that be okay?
Yeah.
That's your goal for this exercise. You can go ahead. Count down, yeah? Once you hit.
1, 2,
For you, don't go like that. Just order 3. Yeah.
just 3 or 2,
Yes, good.
3, 4.
Alright, count for a while. How about you just do and then you observe?
Okay.
How do you think you did?
Everything is fine, but more of the shoot, engaging more of the hips.
Alright, after he's done, you try now. With his feedback. Alright.
There's a bit more power into it, yeah.
Alright, that's it. Can I have you up here? Let's look at his form, what he's doing. What do you think he's doing?
Can you do one more time, sorry? In the first try, I thought it was okay. The second try, you didn't release it too.
I released too early.
You released it too early, yeah.
Alright. Compared to yours, right, I feel that he has less power. How do you think you can improve that? He can improve that.
Maybe swing your arm slightly faster.
And one
And
of the
your
KCCs.
hip movement.
Alright, very nice. Alright, let us. You guys need to hit it for 2 more times.
Yep.
And then we'll move on to the next activity.
4, 5. Oh no!
Last one. Very good. Alright. Okay. Next, we'll be moving on to a more difficult activity since you guys are doing so well. Alright. Can I have you guys stand over here? Okay. So the next heavy activity, moving up from kneeling down, will be standing up now. Whoa. It's a bit more difficult, but I need you guys to bear with me. So this part will take into account your proprioceptive training, so that you will have to balance well. Alright, so one thing you have to do, here are some of the key points that you have to take note of. Leg straight, your dominant leg is straight, your non-dominant leg, which is your leading leg, will go up, and then you stick to your tree. Then, how about your other hand? What do you think it will go? Forward? Forward, alright, correct. Then, once you're ready, you push off your non-dominant leg. Just make sure that it's facing forward towards where you want to hit it. Will that be okay? Alright. Then, as per normal, twist your hips and then snap your wrist at the end to hit. Will that be okay?
Yep.
Alright, just review some of the things that I told you about this exercise.
So first, dominant leg parallel to where you want to shoot. Non-dominant leg balance it on your knee, your arms 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock.
Yeah, that's why it's
3 o'clock and whatever o'clock.
Yeah.
And then when you bring it down, your left leg go down, you snap your wrist, remember to twist your hips and
also ensure that the leg that you're planting must be facing towards the direction.
Alright, you guys, let's go. Hit 3 times. Will that be okay?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, that's good. Count down, yeah? 1. 2.
1,
Alright, one more.
2,
3. Alright, you mean last one?
too high.
Alright, good. Alright, so from both of your performances, I felt that you guys were struggling a bit on the balancing part. So what do you think you could have done better there?
Feet position, maybe because my feet wasn't well positioned, that's why I
Okay.
struggle.
How about you? What do you think you can do?
probably the same. I mean, unless I'm using flat shoes,
Mhm.
that will be better because right now the soles it affects yeah. Affects the balance.
One of the things that I see is that you guys are quite rushing. So I need you guys to take note that even though it may be a competitive sport, you guys can take your time to do the exercise.
Okay.
That be okay?
Okay.
Alright, so now we're moving on to the game situation. Alright. So let me just explain the game for a bit. One of you will be standing at the orange cone, and one of you will be here batting with a tennis racket.
Okay.
Alright, so you'll be using the same balls that you've been using, but then for now, you can decide whether you want to do the kneeling one or the standing one.
Okay.
So whichever you think is more appropriate for you, you can go ahead and use it.
Okay.
Will that be okay?
Can.
So that's for the pitcher. For
Yep.
the batter, once the ball comes, you can just hit it, and after you hit it, make sure that you run to those cones here.
Yep.
Alright, so where does the game element come in? As soon as the batter hits it, the pitcher will try to get the ball, but if the ball goes over the black lines, it's considered a home run.
Okay.
But if it just like trails off, you just have to take it and run back towards the middle to
Alright.
stop the batter. Would that be okay?
Can.
Alright, so who wants to go back first?
You do the stone. I go pitch.
Okay. Okay. Okay, start. Hurry, come on. That's a new one. Alright, he got a home run. So, since you're the one who's batting, right, what do you think he could have done better?
Maybe throw a little bit faster so you can strike me out.
Alright, how about we switch now?
So do I stand behind?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go towards the middle. Alright, good job. Stop. Alright, hands together.
Oh, sorry. Oh my god, sorry.
Alright, so how do you guys think you did for your performance there?
I think I did well to catch him off guard when he
Okay.
was batting. I don't know whether what I did was legal or not.
Okay.
But
Okay, let's put this inside a real game situation. If, for example, the ball were to hit Hilmi, right, what do you think would have happened to you?
disqualified?
No, he'll be given a free base, so he can just go on his own.
Oh,
Yeah. So, what do you think you can improve on that aspect?
my accuracy to where I'm aiming.
Okay.
So to avoid hitting him and to try
Since you hit him, right, what's the one KCP that I taught you to do so that you know where you're aiming?
to put my feet towards where I'm going to throw.
Alright.
Towards
Good, the direction that you want to
I'm going
throw, yeah.
To the
Alright.
direction I'm going to throw.
Overall, I feel like you did a very good job while doing this whole exercise. Other than that, I'll be happy to see you next week.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
I need time to